Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by unlocking the phone and confirming the side silent switch is off. This ensures ringtones play. Now open Settings, then tap Sounds and Haptics. That screen controls call volume and ringtone selection. Once there, glance at the ringer and alert slider. This is the primary control. Make sure Attention Aware is off on Face ID models because it can lower volume automatically when you look at the screen. Move to the next step when you see the slider. You now raise the ringer and alert slider toward the right and press play to preview. This directly increases call loudness. If Change with Buttons is on, press the side volume buttons to fine-tune. Otherwise, the buttons only change media. Choose a brighter, higher frequency ringtone because those are perceived louder, and enable a strong vibration pattern for missed calls. Once you're happy, make a quick test call to confirm perceived loudness and continue. If you finish by making a live test call to verify real-world volume and note if background noise is interfering. If the ringtone is still quiet, restart the iPhone, that clears software glitches, and check for an iOS update because system fixes can restore audio levels. If restarting and updates fail, reset all settings as a last resort. This preserves data while restoring defaults. If problems continue after that, contact Apple support since hardware issues like a faulty speaker may be the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.